Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making pineapple chicken. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and watch this video and tell us what you think about it in the comment section. So for this recipe, we're using 2 pounds of mixed parts or chicken. So depending on your family size, you can use more or you can use less. And these are the vegetables that we're going to be using as well. So first, I want to ensure that you cut up a chicken. If you want it small, you cut them into smaller pieces and you're going to wash them with vinegar. Afterwards, we're going to drizzle browning onto the chicken, and we're using Eve browning, and then we're massaging or rubbing the browning onto the chicken. Okay, so for the powder seasoning, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon, and that is Maggi all-purpose chicken season. And we also went ahead and had a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so for the vegetables, we're going to be using sweet peppers or bell pepper, 2 small tomatoes, scallion or green onions, thyme, onion, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. So for the pimento seed, we're going to crush them into the paper towel to get them more refined, because I don't like biting on pimento seed, but if you don't mind, you can just sprinkle them onto the chicken just as is. But here we are going to crush them. So guys, you know what we're doing now. So we're just chopping the seasoning or the vegetables. So we're just going to dice all of them for seasoning the chicken. Okay, so for all of the pepper lover, if you don't love eat scotch bonnet pepper in your food, comment down below, drop some fire emoji in the comment section. So we're going to use half of the pepper and some of the seed, because you know see them scotch bonnet pepper here, you don't play with them here, they're very hot. So we're going to use just a half, but if you love pepper and if you love your food spicy, you can go ahead and add the whole of the pepper. So now we're just transferring the season onto the chicken, and then we're going to massage or rub the seasoning in. We're going to add the 1/4 teaspoon of the crushed pimento seed, and we're just going to rub everything in. Okay, my foodie family, are you following? So what we're going to be doing now is place a plastic paper wrap over the container, and we're going to allow the chicken to marinate for about half an hour or even 15 to 20 minutes. You can let it marinate, let all that season soak in to the chicken. So after marinating for 30 minutes, we're going to remove the plastic wrap from the container, and we're going to transfer the chicken, the seasoned chicken, into the baking pan. And then we're just going to pour the remaining season onto the chicken. So we not waste nothing, guys. We're using everything. We want all that season, everything well marinated, good stuff, juicy chicken, right? So what we're going to be doing now is, we not waste nothing, as we say, get some water, pour it in, and then we're going to pour that water on top of the chicken. Alright guys, so next we're going to take our foil and we're going to place it over the baking tin, and then we're going to take it and place it in the oven to be baked for about 50 minutes. So we're going to bake for 45 minutes total, but first we're going to bake it for the first 30 minutes, and then remove it from the oven and put on our spices or sauce, and then place it in for additional 15 minutes, so 45 minutes total. Okay, for the pineapple sauce, we're going to be using some vinegar, so that's a 1/4 cup of vinegar, some barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, and pineapple. So that is a fresh pineapple. If you want to, you can go ahead and buy the pineapple slices from the can and you can use those. And we're going to also use half of the lime, or you can use lime concentrate. Okay, so for the pineapple juice, we're going to be blending the pineapples. So you can cut the pineapples into smaller pieces and you blend them. So with blending the pineapple now to extract the juice from it, you want to ensure that you make the pineapple juice as strong or as rich as possible. So you're going to add like about 1/4 or half, 1/4 to about 1/2 cup of water, and add enough pineapple so you can get that rich pineapple flavor. And you're just going to blend it, and then you squeeze or sieve the trash or fibers from the pineapple to get the juice. So after blending, this is how the pineapple juice is looking. So we're just going to strain or sieve, right? And then that is the pineapple juice. Very rich, guys, right? So you want to ensure that the juice is rich. So here we're adding half of a lime, and we also went ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. We're also going to go ahead and give it a stir to get everything fully blended. So you just go ahead and give it a stir, right? And here we are now with the tomato ketchup, and we're just going to add the same 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This will add the thickening head to the sauce, and we're just going to get everything fully blended. So we're just going to give it a stir, right? Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and then we're going to blend everything. All right. Okay, guys, so don't forget or don't be afraid to taste your pot, you know. So we're gonna taste it to see what we need, if we need to add more vinegar, some sugar, some ketchup, or whatever there is that you need to add. So don't be afraid to taste your pot. That way you'll know what you need to add if you need more top up. So yes. Okay guys, so after the first 30 minutes, we remove the chicken from the oven, and this is how it is looking. I wish you could smell that nice aroma. It smells so good. So we're just testing it to ensure that they're getting there, right? And then we're gonna flip them on the opposite sides. So at this point, you don't add anything to the chicken. You don't add any sauce or anything. Just the chicken with the season you add in the first 30 minutes of baking. You want to flip them on the opposite sides so that they can bake straight through. Okay, so time to add the sauce to the chicken. So we're just going to use a brush and apply the sauce onto the chicken. So you want to ensure that you coat both sides. So just going to go ahead and do this. So once coated on one side, we're just going to turn it on the opposite side and apply the same procedure. Okay, so afterwards we're going to add the vegetables to the chicken, and then we're going to place it into the oven for the remaining 30 minutes. So we're going to bake for about an hour. So we're adding our carrots, tomatoes, sweet peppers, and our pineapples. So we're getting our reggae vibes, red, gold, and green, right? So we're going to distribute the pineapples over the chicken. Look at that, guys. Isn't it colorful? So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy this video. Comment down below and tell me if you enjoy pineapple chicken or if you ever cooked pineapple chicken before, right? So after distributing the pineapples and the vegetables onto the chicken, we're just going to place it back into the oven for the remaining 30 minutes. Then after that, check we back. So after baking for the remaining 30 minutes, this is our pineapple chicken. Look at it, guys. You have a lot of sauce. If you love your sauce, if you love a lot of sauce in your meal, this is it. You have a lot of sauce. You're getting that reggae vibes, the red, gold, and the green. Look at that juicy piece of chicken leg. It is very fork tender, guys. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please comment down below and let me know, or send me a video. I will appreciate it, and I would love to see how you did. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Follow us on Instagram at cookingwithtz_C. Comment down below. Share with a friend. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.